How to turn on autoplay video in Facebook Lite. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook Lite. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down to the settings and privacy section. And from there click on settings. Once you do that, scroll down to the media and contacts section, and from there click on autoplay video, and here you want to scroll down to the autoplay section, from which you will be able to activate the video autoplay either by selecting whether you want the videos to be autoplayed on mobile, data and Wi-Fi, or you want them to be autoplayed on Wi-Fi only. Choose whatever option suits you the best. And by doing that, the video autoplay will be activated. So that was it for this video. That's how you can enable the video autoplay on Facebook Lite and activate it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.